Hey guys, this is Miguel here, and today we're eating Popeyes. So let's drink this first, and then we get to the food. We have this, like buffalo sauce. We got this buffalo sauce right here. But yeah. And we can just try this, the chicken tender. Take the fries right here. And last but not least is the biscuit. The biscuit right here. This is barbecue, as you guys can see. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.